Today we're going to take a look at the back side of this dog gate, child gate pocket door kit. That way you kind of can see the components on the back side. You're going to need your door, your walk-through width, and then the gate size is going to be 2 times the walk-through width. So you got your walk-through width, that's going to make up your complete gate width and the pocket width. And we're going to make the pocket frame kit here, but we don't supply the actual gate. So you're going to need to source a gate from a door company or a local woodworker, millwork shop that can build you the gate that's going to work for your application. We set this thing up. We use the CS Track and Hardware for the top. We've got 200 and 350 pound capacity for that with the soft close, soft open. And then we use ball bearing rollers and a floor track that goes in the pocket for the pocket to keep this thing aligned and running straight for years and years to come. Come on. So if you're looking for a pet gate or child gate that doesn't need a track across the walk-through opening, choose HC Pocket Doors, follow along, check out our videos, see what we have next. See you later.